Hi there, and welcome at Smelly Art. In this video we are going to have a lot of fun. Excuse me, Mr. Smelly? Oh, Spider-Man, how are you, my friend? I'm good, thanks. I just wanted to ask you a little favor. Sure, buddy, what can I do for you? Well, I was just wondering, could you draw me in a cool action scene with Dr. Octopus? I think that would be really cool. That's an awesome idea, Spidey. Let's do it. Here we go. When I think about Spider-Man and Dr. Octopus, one of the first things that comes to mind is the epic train fight they had in one of the older Spider-Man movies with Tobey Maguire. So I thought it was a fun idea to get the inspiration for my drawing from that action sequence. Dr. Octopus is for sure one of my favorite Spider-Man villains. He's one of the first villains I got to know as a kid, reading some old comics I found in the attic of my grandparents' house. I think they belonged to my uncle. I read those comics over and over. Too bad I don't have them anymore. Okay, the rough sketch is done, time to break out some pencils to finish these lines and to add more details. Dr. Octopus, also known as Doc Ock for short, is a fictional character appearing in American comic books published by Marvel Comics. He is a highly intelligent, somewhat stocky mad scientist who sports 4 strong and durable appendages which extend from the back of his body and can be used for various purposes. After his mechanical harness became permanently fused into his body during a lab accident, Octavius turned into a life of crime and came in conflict with the superhero Spider-Man. Since his debut in The Amazing Spider-Man #3 in July 1963, Dr. Octopus has endured as one of Spider-Man's most prominent villains, and is regarded as one of the 3 arch-enemies alongside the Green Goblin and Venom. He is the founder and leader of the Sinister Six, the first supervillain team to oppose Spider-Man. The pencils are done, it's time to kick this drawing into the last phase, and that is... painting time! Here we go. Well, that's it for this week's video. I hope you guys like my drawing of Spider-Man and Dr. Octopus, and are there some other Marvel characters you would like me to draw? Let me know in the comment section. And if you guys like this video, why not hit the like button, subscribe if you aren't already, and hit the bell to be notified when I put out new videos. It's every Friday, a great way to start the weekend. And if you want to help me or this channel out even more, please share this content on all your social media platforms, it would help a lot. I wish you all a great weekend, my friends. We will see each other again next Friday. Bye!